Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Nine real reasons why teenagers have sex. As parents, this is one of those issues that are very fragile, and this is something that never fails to bother us. We obviously always want the best for our children, and for this, we make several fugitive attempts. We also need to contemplate upon the tender age of our teens, and in this, the tendencies of their age group, their peers, and their friends. Now, no problem can be solved without getting to the roots of its cause, and maybe even getting to know what is on your child's minds. So here we are. In this video, we will be discussing about the top reasons that instigate our teenagers to have sex. Now, teenagers fall into the category of the most delicate ages of a person's life. This age is of growing, learning, stumbling, falling, understanding. They are pulled away by a stream of several feelings and emotions. And at this point, it actually becomes very important to understand their cryptic ways. So let's dive right in. Reasons involving sexual activity in teenagers. Number 1. Physical pleasure. According to the reports, physical pleasure comes under the prime reason due to which teenagers have sex. This reason can neither be considered good nor bad. Now parents, we have surveys that show us that around 1,000 of teenagers aged between 13 to 16 who have sex consider physical pleasure to be the prime reason for doing it. It becomes very important to make our children understand between right and wrong. Well, there are several means of physical pleasure. Having sex is just for the physical pleasure, but it may never lead to the right results, because it also involves a person more mentally and emotionally other than physically. So maybe you could explain your child in a better way. Number 2. To satisfy their partners. In this age, we are always looking to please others, and everyone wants their partner to be happy, which is why this is one of the main reasons why most of the young people get involved in sexual activity. It has been observed that 38% of teenagers get indulged in these activities in order to satisfy others. However, it becomes important for us to have a heart-to-heart conversation with our teen and make them understand that this is not the age that they should think about others, but this is the age they should think of themselves and think beyond the present situation. 3. To imbue the feeling of maturity. Well, as I said before, at this age, being naive and being mature, teenagers often find themselves lost between the bridges. They are often too small for certain things, and sometimes they are tagged to be too grown up for certain things. Now they are stuck between the two, and the desire to be something and do something and feel older empowers them. So they choose maturity, and they look for the means to be mature enough and show people that, oh, I have matured. Now most of them often stop at the stations of sex, as they consider it something that adults do. Well, as parents, once again, we must tell them that the very first rate of maturity involves making appropriate decisions. An adult never opts to do something that involves risk. Number 4. Intimacy. Intimacy is defined as the feeling to be close to someone. Many times when teenagers are involved in relationships, there is also a mutual feeling of love, and after a certain time, some people desire for intimacy. They believe that intimacy can bring them more close and make their bond unbreakable. Well, at this age, we all feel everything is forever, and we should hold on to something. This desire often leads to the involvement of indulgence in sexual activity, and this can be considered as the healthy reason for having sex. To gain popularity. 18 reasons of the teens reported popularity to be one of the reasons to have sex. Very often, kids at this age develop a notion according to which they categorize some things as cool, some as nerdy, or something as uncool. Now, in order to fit in and be in these categories and the good books of other kids to not be criticized, they often find themselves forced to have sex. It is very important to understand that these things can never be strong enough to justify such actions. 6. To retain their partners. Many teenagers indulge themselves in these activities because they are scared they might lose their partners. In actuality, they should be told of the meaning of love and self-care. A person who puts a clause for a relationship can never be true in it. Number 7. Their previous sexual experience. Well, it is human tendency to continue something that we have started. Teenagers have been seen to have sex several times just because they have done it before. Now they should be made aware of its repercussions. And also they may look at it in their films. Media is quite influential. Number 8. Curiosity. Most of the time, sex is an aftermath of curiosity. For them, it is a concept that is entirely new and unknown. These uncharted waters, they feel to take a drive within themselves and explore it. Not all the times, it may lead to good endings. Number 9. To feel loved. Teenagers who have been bullied all their lives due to their appearance become quite desperate for acceptance and love. Sex is one of those things that makes them feel these both. They feel that if they are special to someone, maybe things will change. Teenagers should be given the lesson of self-acceptance and self-love. And parents, you should talk about them to this and always make them feel loved. Like everything else, there lies a reason behind this behavior of teens as well. This reason might be different for other kids. Every kid is unique in its own way. It is very important for us to understand the psychological behavior of teens. Now, only by getting a clue of reasons for their behavior, it can be dealt with. In order to avoid unwanted pregnancies and sexually transmitted diseases, it becomes mandatory to educate our teenagers on such topics. There lie several contents on the internet that can mislead them. Hence, it becomes very important for us to guide them accordingly.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications.